Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So if your trades sometimes feel slow or fail during busy market moments, the issue might not be your strategy. It could be the RPC connection your trading terminal is using. In this video, I will show you what custom RPC nodes are and how they can help improve transaction performances. Okay. But before starting the video, if you have enjoyed trade Padro terminal, you can use our referral code, which is CryptoWhale, or you can also use our referral link, which is available in the description of the video, so that you can save money on big transaction fee forever. Okay, so what is an RPC node? RPC stands for remote procedure call. In simple terms, it's the connection that allows your wallet or trading terminal to communicate with the blockchain. Every time you send a trade, your request goes through an RPC node before reaching the network. Okay, so the question is why RPC speed matters. Okay, so when a lot of people are trading at the same time, share public RPC nodes can become overloaded. This may cause slow transaction submission, failed transactions, as well as delayed confirmation. Okay, so what is a custom RPC node? A custom RPC node is a dedicated endpoint provided by an infrastructure service. Instead of sharing a connection with thousands of users, you can connect through your own endpoint, which can provide more consistent performance. In my previous video, I have made a dedicated video about RPC custom nodes, and you can check that video. In that video, I had explained that custom RPC node is not available in the pattern, like you can't customize it. It's pre-built by the company and you can change it. Okay, so if you are using any other terminal, you can choose a RPC provider. You can search for it on the Google, and then you can connect your RPC with your terminal. Okay, so after connecting, you can test the connection before trading large amount. Test the setup with a small transaction. Okay, so here's a beginner tips. If you are new to custom RPC nodes, use a reliable provider. Keep your endpoint private and monitor your connection performance. Okay, so a good RPC connection can help make your trading experience more stable and responsive. If you want more tutorials about trading terminals and crypto tools, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.